First of all, you have seen the image generation result. There is outstanding result. And the second one, you have seen there is a video generation result, and this result is also looking amazing. And this AI will give you everything related to this result. Okay, let's start with the video. So first of all, if you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow on my Facebook page. So by coming back to the video, today I'm going to show you a AI tool that will give you the all reference AIs just like ChatGPT, VEO3, and everything that you have seen this AI tool. Okay, you just search on the Google and just like this, and hit the first link, and you have seen there is a login section on the right side top, and login on this page. After that, you have seen there is a multiple search option, and also the web search, and you have seen there is image generation, video generation, and coding generation app or website build. Okay, you have everything generated through these AI tools. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can generate a prompt in this AI. This will give you the outstanding prompt, and using that prompt, I'm going to show you the image generation tool, and then moving forward to the at the end the video generation. Okay, first of all, you have seen there is a battle mode, side by side direct section. Every tab has their own benefits. Battle, you can go for the multiple tool battles, like one use the chat gpt, on the other side I can use the Gemini AI. So then I will go for the battle for everything. Okay, for direct, we can you can also use only one AI tool for image generation, for search, coding, and videos as well. Okay, everything I can doing in this AI video. Don't forget every steps, that every step matter modes. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how you can get the prompt. So this AI tool will give you the detailed prompt, and I suggest you that if you are not using ChatGPT, so you can must use this AI tool for the chat for prompt generation. Okay, because this will give you the outstanding result. And here I can also show you the complete AI tools, and the for text, for code, for image, for search, everything. Okay, you can see there is a lot of AI tools available in this website, and this website, this AI tool basically give you the result like this. First it analyze the thing, it thinking something in your own research, and after that they will give you the it will give you the outstanding. And I said that I say that it will give you the same prompt as you can capture in your mind. Okay, so coming back to the next step. So continuously it working on generating a prompt. So you can see there is this AI basically give you uh, the proper result. So you can see there is a multiple options. They will it will give you the prompt results, like first option, second, third, fourth. You can go on for every option, and just like this they will get the result just like Game of Thrones. So you can go for that one. So I can go for every cinematic view, so give you the result that related to the cinematic way. So for cinematic way, the result is very outstanding. So I think that I need and you need also the cinematic view of this type of prompt. Okay, if we need a dragon, so definitely we can go for the Game of Thrones GOT. So we can we were capture in our mind like Game of Thrones result. Okay, so you can just prompt it, and it will give you the outstanding result. I mentioned already that I also give you the response, also give you the conclusion of this video at the start of the video, the reference images and the reference video that I already mentioned in the start of the video. Another video is very long, but don't worry, if you know, forget it and use it. Okay, so here is the result of my image generation. That's outstanding. First AI tool basically shown there is an error. Don't worry, you can skip that AI tool and use another AI tool for replacement. Okay, no problem for that. So here you can see that I'm going for the side by side in battle. Basically same has, you can side by side use two tool, and battle you can also use two tool. Okay, okay, after that I'm going to generate video. So first of before I go for the video generation, I am going to show you the what AI tool you have used using image generation. You can use text to image, you can use image to video. Okay, here you can see there is a lot of AI video generation tool: text to image, VEO3, Sora 2, and ChatGPT. CDOS is also here. So you can see there is a Grok AI and Kling AI also here. Every AI tool you can get from this website for easily. Okay, you don't need to be click on any AI tool. You just go for start voting. Okay, after that you just enter your prompt, and this that all AI tools, this was basically website prefer you to assistant AI tool if in you are in the battle mode. Okay, if you are in the direct section, it will give you option for one by one tool. You can use everything. Basically this AI tool also just to the best AI tool for video generation, and I'm pretty sure that it will give you the outstanding result. Okay, I'm also mentioned in the start of the video. So you just need to be upload the image if you want to image to video, if you want to text to image, so you can go for this one. Okay, here is the result. I also mentioned the start of the video, and the result is outstanding. As I mentioned before, result is very outstanding. So coming back to the next point at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how many videos you have generated in this CI tool. So you can, if you want to continue this CI tool, you can continue this video, you can continue that. If you want to create generate video, you can only generate two video per uh, day. Okay, a day you can generate two video. For image generation, you can generate unlimited images. You can go for unlimited coding, unlimited chat. Okay, so that's it on my video. If you forget or skip any step, so definitely those people will come to the my comment section and blah 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 blah, go for everything. I also mention in every video that you have some limits in free mode. If you want to go for paid mode, you can create unlimited time. So I also mention in every video, I don't know that how people don't watch all video and just go for the comment section and write blah blah blah. Why I don't understand for that. So don't worry for that. I'm going to show you every type of AI videos, AI tools in this channel and this Facebook page. So coming back to my YouTube channel.